Could the way you sleep be silently increasing your risk of stroke? As a brain specialist, I was shocked when I discovered how one common sleeping position can reduce blood flow to the brain, especially in adults over 60. In today's video, I'll reveal the position you should avoid, the safest way to sleep, and how small changes can protect your brain for years to come. Why sleep position matters for brain health. The way you rest at night doesn't just affect comfort, it impacts circulation, oxygen delivery, and brain health. Poor sleeping posture can cause reduced blood flow, pressure on blood vessels, and even make it harder for your brain to clear toxins during deep sleep. The sleeping position to avoid after 60. Many seniors prefer sleeping on their stomachs or with their neck twisted to the side. While it might feel comfortable, this position can compress blood vessels in the neck, reducing blood flow to the brain. Over time, this increases strain on the heart and raises stroke risk. The safest sleeping positions for brain stroke prevention. Back sleeping with a supportive pillow under your neck is ideal. Side sleeping, especially on the left side, can help with circulation and digestion. Use a pillow that keeps your head in a neutral position, not bent forward or tilted backward. Asterisk. If you wake up with gooey's morning headaches, dizziness or lightheadedness, tingling or numbness in your arms, neck stiffness, your sleeping position may be restricting blood flow. Asterisk. Use a firm but comfortable mattress. Keep your head slightly elevated if you have sleep apnea or acid reflux. Avoid sleeping with heavy pillows pressing against your neck. Practice gentle neck stretches before bed. Your brain is your most precious asset. Protect it by making small changes tonight. Sleep in a position that supports healthy blood flow and gives your body the rest it deserves. Wishing you a safe and healthy night's sleep. And subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you enjoy our videos, please don't forget to hit the bell icon after subscribing.